case of hiccups, this diaphragm will act in a jerky way and pull down more than normal, resulting in hiccups with its sound stress. What causes hiccups? Eating very fast, drinking carbonated beverage like 7-Up, and having someone frighten you. So next time, when eating a large meal, feeling nervous, and sudden temperature change. How do we stop hiccups? Flip upside down and using a hot paper bag and putting sugar under your cup. Feeding animal, putting sugar, feeding animal, having someone familiar, and sipping ice water quickly. So next time when you get hiccups,